12 South African police officials appeared in the Pretoria Magistrates Court, and at the center of it all, Brigadier Rachel Majing. Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far. According to her own testimony before the Madlanga Commission in February, she wasn't bribed. She said she was in a romantic relationship with the alleged cartel boss Vusimuzi Ket Matlala, and the money, the gifts, totally personal.
We then started talking with Ket and ended having a romantic relationship. We had an on and off cycle relationship. Sometimes we will even get a year break from one another without talking to each other. The romantic relationship is still in existence before his arrest. Mr. Matlala is romantic and showered me with gifts, including money.
She insisted that none of this had to do with the 360 million SAPS health tender awarded to a company owned by Matlala. Authorities say this wasn't romance, it was corruption at the highest level. The investigating Directorate Against Corruption swooped in, arresting the officers for allegedly helping Matlala secure that massive tender. They are charged with fraud, money laundering, tender manipulation, and violation of the Finance Act. Majing was not alone. Top-ranking officers including generals, brigadiers, colonels are now caught in the same web. Names that once represented authority are now tied in one of the biggest police scandals in recent memory. Was this really a love story between a police brigadier and a businessman? Or is that just a convenient cover for a multi-million rand corruption scheme? This case is far from over, and trust me, it's about to get even messier. That's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.